If you're stuck losing trades week after week, it's not the market, it's your system or lack of one. MaxBot Channel is here. I've worked with dozens of traders stuck in cycles of defeat. What I share today is not hype. It's a proven framework that turns chaos into control. If you're frustrated or burned out, listen closely. I have come a long way in this business over the years, and now I have the help of an intelligent AI that monitors the market every second. It gives me recommendations so that I can make more informed decisions. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today.
So I just entered the market on the euro and pound currency pair, over-the-counter trading, 5-minute expiration time. The robot recommended me to click on the red button. I did. I saw from the price movement chart that the bears lowered the price in the past minutes, and now a corridor started to form and a sideways movement within it. I think that the bulls will not have time to accumulate strength and significantly influence the situation in the next 5 minutes. I have accelerated the price movement to save your time and convenience of viewing. Folks, in order not to miss new useful insights and important information, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. My team is working for you. Your engagement helps us scale the channel. We will work even harder to give you the best content. By the way, I have great news for you. Now I am preparing a great course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages via the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Begin with this rule. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade always. If you're trading a $100 account, you risk $1 too. On 1000s, only 10-20. Everything else is emotional risk, not strategy. Structure is what keeps you alive long enough to build an edge. Early on, I treated trading like chasing a bull run. I doubled risk, chasing heat, and lost 60% of my account in just 2 trades. That loss forced me to rebuild with discipline, trade journaling, and finally, a structured tool to keep me honest, a signals assistant. Common mistake: most traders mistake volume for conviction and frequency for success. They chase setups and ignore structure. They confuse noise for opportunity. That's how accounts evaporate fast but avoidably. How to trade the right way. Only trade setups that line up with structure, trend, volume, momentum. Confirm across at least 2 time frames. Risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Process every potential entry through your signals assistant. Document every setup. Logic, emotion, result. Review weekly to refine your edge. So I successfully completed the first transaction. Now it's time for step 2. I will again ask the bot to give me correct advice. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. So a new tip from the bot is higher. I think the bulls will now take advantage of the oversold situation and push back from the support zone. This momentum will help me. Sellers should not be able to turn the tide in the next few minutes. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I want to emphasize that I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. The bot knows how to analyze the OTC market and give you an edge even at night, even on holidays and weekends. Trade when it is convenient for you, at any time. Your signals assistant doesn't override your thinking. It filters your entries so you only act when your system conditions align. It prevents emotional trades and reinforces your rules. This week, it flagged Euro GBP with alignment on trend, volume surge, and support bounce. I risked $10 on a $1,000 account, entered, exited, returned $8. Not sensational, but consistent. That's what scales. For the next 30 days, you can claim lifetime access to the Signals Assistant MaxBot, free. After that, it becomes subscription only. No exceptions, no relaunch. The window is open now and only now. Links in the description. If this resonated, tap like. Subscribe for more strategic clarity over noise. In the comments, what rule protects your trading capital? What tool or routine changed your game? Share real processes, not wishful thinking. Grab the assistant from the description before the window disappears. You're not broken. You're just not operating within a system yet. But you're one rule, one update, one disciplined habit away from flipping that. Process beats impulse. Structure beats luck. You've got the tools. Now execute. If you trade $1 on a $100 account, that's pennies won. Trade $10 on 1,000. It's consistent returns. Same edge, better scale. Scale smart. Trade smart. Strip your charts to bare structure zones and volume. Recognize reaction candles at key levels, not patterns alone. Review losers harder than winners. They reveal the truth. Tell me, which habit or rule saved your account? How do you size trades or avoid impulsive entries? What tools helped you build discipline? Share your essentials. This is how we grow smarter together. Here's a quick note on a growing angle: investing with social responsibility. More traders now prefer assets aligned with ethical standards. Sustainable currencies, ESG-influenced commodities, or brand reputations tied to fairness. Brokers and institutions are increasingly spotlighting metrics like carbon footprint, labor standards, and inclusive business models. Why does it matter? Because markets move on sentiment, and socially responsible flows are real capital shifts. That means you can trade both trends and reputation-driven rotation. And I've just finished the job. You've seen my results on your screens. Subscribe, friends. See you later.